Many shrimp keepers often wonder if shrimp breeding is hard or not. Let me start by saying that shrimp breeding is extremely easy, and it will be easy for you if you just keep a couple of things in check. The first thing you need to do is start off with healthy shrimps. Okay, if your shrimps are healthy, then their offspring will be of higher quality too. So first you need to think about from where you should buy the shrimps. The first thing I will suggest you to is look for local breeders. Local breeders will mostly breed their own shrimps, and in such cases the shrimps will be of very good quality and they will be healthy, and chances are that they will be free from any kinds of diseases. So look for if there are any local breeders in your neighborhood, and if there is, try to buy the shrimps from that breeder. It will ensure that the shrimps are very good quality, and also you may get the shrimps from a much cheaper price. Now if you don't have any local breeder in your area, then there is nothing to worry about. There are two other sources you can buy your shrimps from. These are the online shops and any local fish shop. In local fish shops, you can check if there are any shrimps, and if there is, you can personally examine the quality of the shrimps and check if the shrimps are healthy, they are eating, they are jumping, etc. Because a healthy shrimp will be very active and it will also eat throughout the whole day. So if you want to buy the shrimps from any local fish store, go there by yourself and check the quality of the shrimps, and only buy the shrimps if you are sure that they are very healthy and free from any kind of diseases. Now the problem about most local fish store is they don't have a much good collection of shrimps. So if you want to buy some exotic quality shrimps or exotic species, then you might not be able to find those species in the local fish stores. In such cases, you may need to look for them in online stores. Also, sometimes buying the shrimps from a local store can be a bit problematic, because you will have to drive there yourself and you will have to bring the shrimp to your home. The good thing about online stores is they will ship the shrimps directly at your home, so there is nothing problematic for you. You will just have to order the shrimp from your PC and they will be just shipped to your door. But the thing is, in online fish stores, you don't have the opportunity to examine the shrimp quality yourself. You will just have to look at the pictures and then order. So when buying from an online store, many people often get lower quality shrimps than they were expected. So in such cases, what I will suggest is buy from an online fish store that is very reputable and trustworthy, like Flip Aquatics. I love Flip Aquatics and I love the owner. He has a shrimp keeping channel on his own, so I love what he does and I absolutely trust his fish store. So if you want to buy the shrimps from an online store, Flip Aquatics can be a very good option for you. So that's the first thing. You will have to start with very good quality shrimps. The next thing is water parameters. Whether you want to breed your shrimps or not, you need to keep the correct water parameters. The water parameter will vary from species to species. Like the ideal water parameters for Chero shrimp won't be the same for, like, say, any kind of Caridina species shrimps like crystal red shrimps. So do your homework and do the research and check what type of water parameters your shrimp will like, and then try to achieve those exact water parameters as much as you can, because ideal water parameters will help you a lot along the way and it will keep you away from many unforeseeable problems in the future. So keeping the correct water parameters will help the shrimp breeding very much. In addition to keeping the correct water parameters, you'll also need to keep them consistent. If the water parameters, like say if the temperature of the water is 70 degrees Fahrenheit today and 80 degrees Fahrenheit tomorrow, then this kind of abrupt change will affect the shrimp, and this can stress out the shrimps a lot. So you need to keep the water parameters consistent. It is very important for keeping shrimps as well as breeding them. The next thing is you need to start with a group of shrimps. If you want to keep your shrimps healthy and breed them, then start with at least 10 to 15 shrimps, because by getting a group of 10 to 15 shrimps, it will ensure that the group has a good ratio of male to female shrimps. Now if you even have one male and one female shrimp, then they can breed, but it is not ideal. Shrimps are very social animal and they love to live in groups. It also makes them safer and healthier. So I will always suggest you to start with at least 10 shrimps. It will ensure that there are a good number of males and females in the group, so the breeding process will start automatically and naturally. The next thing you need to keep in mind is about the substrate. Substrate also affects the breeding quality of the shrimps. Now the required substrate is different for Neocaridina species shrimps and Caridina species shrimps. If you are keeping Neocaridina species shrimps, then you can keep pool filter sand or any type of normal sand as a substrate. It is not that much important, but I recommend using Eco-Complete Pantodecorium substrate for Neocaridina species shrimps because it is much more naturally appealing and it looks great. For Caridina species shrimps, I recommend active substrate, a substrate that keeps the pH level a bit lower, so that these kind of substrates are preferred by the Caridina species shrimps. And good option will be Brightwell Escuro. There are many types of variation of this kind of substrate, so you can choose any one you like and your Caridina species shrimps will like it. The last thing I want to talk about is food. Before even breeding, you need to give proper food and nutrition to your shrimps. If your shrimps get the right nutrition and the right minerals and vitamins, then they will be healthy and their offsprings will be healthy too. So you need to give the proper amount of food and the right food to your shrimps. I recommend Vector AE to give to your shrimps because it is a very good food and it is recommended by lots of other experienced shrimp breeders. Vector AE comes in a powdered form, so when you scoop the food over the tank, the food particles spread throughout the whole tank, and this ensures that the shrimps do not take part in any kind of food aggression and all of the shrimps can enjoy the food. It is also very helpful for baby shrimps, okay, because the baby shrimps normally don't get the chance to fight for the food with the adult shrimps, especially if you are giving any food like that are in pellet form. So for the baby shrimps, it is effective to give food like in powdered form, so that the foods spread throughout the whole tank and the baby shrimps can eat the food on their own, so that they don't have to fight with the adults for the foods. Now these are some of the things, and if you keep in mind, then the shrimp breeding will be very easy for you and your shrimp will start breeding automatically and naturally. There is nothing extra you will have to do. But shrimp breeding doesn't end here. There are lots of more things you need to know, like what type of water source you should use in the tank, what type of plants you should use in the tank, and what type of filtration you should use. There are many types of filters out there. What type of filter is best for shrimps? I have talked about all of these things in one of my video. In that video, I explained everything related to shrimp breeding, and I have dived very details in each and every aspects of shrimp breeding, so that after watching that video, you can start breeding your shrimps right away and you have the complete knowledge about shrimp breeding. If you want to watch that video, the video will pop up anywhere on the screen right now. So click on the video and watch that. I will also put the link in the description box below. I hope you have liked today's video. Take care.